Yes, sir, it's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So like I was telling you guys in last night's video, things is about to get crazy, and this is wild. So we know some major big techs, large cap companies earnings is approaching. We talking Google, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, and a few other guys. So we know these companies are companies that can justify the direction of the market. If they don't ace earnings and beat expectations by a good bit, even with that happening, we can still see what's possible to happen. But that would make the situation even worse if they don't beat, because we know, we already know what that's going to lead to. And even if they beat expectations, we already possibly know what that can lead to. For example, like Tesla beat expectations by a long shot, guys, and we're still experiencing a crazy pullback that we shouldn't be experiencing. We should be going to the upside, but that's why you got to be prepared. If you watched my video last night, I was prepared for Tesla to do exactly that. There's many different factors that come into play. Like I told you guys, there's many retail investors that own Tesla. The majority of retail investors, some have the most of their portfolio straight Tesla. Like I told you guys, they're going to hawk and prey on Tesla because retail investors are, that's one of their most attractive stocks. So they're going to most definitely take a bite at it. And that's exactly what they're doing. And like I said, it's going to also be, that's why I say it's many different factors, because Tesla was already due for that pullback. It was already due. Regardless of what's going on, it was already due to the pullback. Psychologically from the charts, it couldn't stay above that $1,000 level. I knew we had support at 975. Go check the last night's video out. I said we will break that support at 975 and come tumbling down hard straight to around 880, 890. That first key level will be the low 900s, right around 923, and that's exactly what we came fast as lightning, guys. It make sense. But anyways, came down to 923 area. Now I believe we still going to the high 800s, and I was like, worst case scenario through this fall is $776, unless these big tech companies that's approaching to do their earnings miss terribly, and that will cause it to come down even harder, guys. So you already know, like I say, be prepared. Tesla is going to be one of the stocks that people is going to wish they bought more of come the future. But I'm just talking for short-term things, and as of right now, what's going on, letting you guys know, yeah, Tesla's about to drop. Not saying, oh, it's about to run, it's about to go crazy, it's gonna keep the market up. And that's exactly what's caused the panic in the market this morning as well, guys. If you notice, you probably looked at the market like, dang, I thought a bounce would happen today or something. We bleeding even more because of Tesla. Take a look at Tesla. Tesla dropped from $1,000 high yesterday all the way down to the low 900s. Just dropped $100 a share just like that after reporting great earnings. The aspects is all the way up the par around the company. They making the money, they steady growing and developing, and the stock price is tanking. Come on, guys. Like I told you guys, and exactly like with all this mess and madness that's going on in the world that's got these large cap companies tanking the way they do, now what's going to be the excuse whenever we see these little spikes, these little mini spikes that we've been seeing in the past, that we're going to see again? Even if they continue to bring the market down lower, those spikes are going to happen due to the fact that they can't afford to just drop the market day after day after day. Even though those spikes don't supposed to happen, they're going to still happen, for the simple fact that they trying to drain your account. They trying to make you get, like eye candy. Like, dang, that price look good, so good on that stock, and it ain't finished dropping yet. So you're going to buy it, try to short term day trade it, buy it, and then when you buy it for a long position, it start dropping even more because you done chased it during that little mini spike that they did. Now it's dropping even more on you, in your account, steady draining. By the time the market do bottom out, where everybody's loading up for the ride back up, you broke because you done got tricked, from the market makers and what they got going on, and they little psychological plans, guys. So you just got to be prepared in these markets. It's still a lot of fear out there, uncertainty. People is skeptical, but we already know, guys, this thing is going to turn around. It's going to turn around hard, and a lot of people is going to be missing out on their hundreds of thousands of dollars, or $1 million opportunities. So you already know, guys. And also Twitter, they'll try to throw Twitter out there and say, oh, Tesla is falling because investors don't think Elon is going to be able to manage both companies, this, that, and the third. They'll try to say anything, guys, but Tesla is going to be good. Twitter, Elon's going to unlock the potential for that as well. But we already know, guys, we got to get through all these troubling times. They say the deal for Twitter will take about 6 months to close, and it'll be a 2.5% termination fee. So you already know, guys, that's all I got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update on the markets, and we already know what's going on. I love y'all. Add me on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. We out, and God bless you. We gone.